CheapRVLiving would like to announce the launch of its brand new website. We have updated it to make it more useful for the community, and it's easy to use and very informative. Let's take a look at the website. On the home page, on the left-hand side, we have links to posts and articles that are fantastic for nomads. Whether you're just considering being a nomad or starting out on the road for the first time, or whether you're an experienced nomad, you can find something here for everyone. Topics such as can you live on $500 a month and what to do if you're facing eviction, as well as information and a link to Homes on Wheels Alliance. We have our latest articles here with links that take you right to the article. You'll notice on this side, we have posts that go back a couple of dozen or so. Here's an article about having larger tires on a minivan. You can return to the home page simply by clicking on the banner, or go to the blog articles where we have summaries of each article. How to get showers, what it's like to work at a ski resort while being a van dweller, or checking your rig out before traveling, and so much more. We have a new item for everyone called the Community Events Calendar, where you can post information about events that you're hosting yourself, and here are some examples. Here is a gathering in Northeast Arizona, and this will fill in quite a bit as people discover our events calendar. To submit an event, simply fill out the information, submit it, and we will likely approve it if it meets our terms of submission. One of the best things that we've done is if you click here on the Learn button, we have taken everything that has ever appeared on the CheapRVLiving website and we've added it to our extensive knowledge base. Here, everything is searchable. Here, you can also search on any type of vehicle, skills, money and budget, build details, philosophy, inspiration, and travel, and so much more. For example, if you want information about keeping warm, you can search for that here, or you can search for heater, and it will bring up all the articles on heaters and staying warm. Also, we have a link to the CheapRVLiving Amazon affiliate store with all of the many products that Bob has reviewed and the ones that he feels are the most reliable and proven over time. So these are Bob's best products that he recommends. They're all available here, and you can simply click on the links and it will take you right to his Amazon store. We hope that you enjoy this new website and that you find it useful and informative. We appreciate you stopping by, and we also encourage you to write articles for us if you'd like to submit them. Simply check the description below this video for more information on how to do that. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you on the new website for CheapRVLiving.